Hello students, today I would like to say to you, please watch full video for your better knowledge and to make your strong concept on mathematics. If you will watch my all videos regularly, then I am very sure that you have no need to go any other place. And I hope you complete your whole syllabus on my channel, and I promise to you all classes will be free. So I again request to you, please watch full video to make your better knowledge and to make your better strong concept on mathematics. So now let's start our topic. Today's our topic is trigonometric identities. If tan theta plus sin theta equal to m is given and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n is given, then prove that m square minus n square equal to 4 times mn, right? So here value of m and n are given, then prove that the difference of squares m and n is 4 times of under root mn, right? So first of all, we find square of m. So m square equal to tan theta plus sin theta whole square, right? So value of m square is, this is tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sin theta, right? This is value of m square. Similarly, n square equal to tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Tan theta minus sin theta whole square. So the square of tan theta minus sin theta is tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 times tan theta into sin theta, right? Now suppose this is equation first and this is second. Subtracting equation second from equation first. Subtracting equation second from equation first. So this is m square minus n square equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sin theta minus value of n square. So this is tan square theta minus sin square theta and plus 2 times tan theta into sin theta, right? So this tan square theta positive and this tan square theta negative, so these are of opposite signs, so these are cancelled to each other. Sin square theta is positive and sin square theta is negative, so these are cancelled to each other. So this is 2 times of tan theta and sin theta and plus 2 times of sin theta and tan theta, so this will become 4 times tan theta into sin theta, right? Now now value of 4 times under root mn equal to, this is 4 under root, value of m is tan theta plus sin theta, and value of n is tan theta minus sin theta. So we know the identity. This is a plus b and this is a minus b. So this can be written as a square minus b square. So it is written as tan square theta minus sin square theta. Now this is 4 under root tan square theta is written as this is written as sin square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? So this is 4 under root sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta by taking LCM and solving the denominators here, cos square theta and 1. So LCM of cos square theta and 1 is cos square theta. Now 4 under root this is 4 under root taking sin square theta common, then in bracket 1 minus cos square theta. Now upon this is cos square theta. So this is under root sin square theta upon cos square theta, and this is 1 minus cos square theta, so it will be sin square theta, right? So this is 4 under root tan square theta into sin square theta. So this is under root. So square root of tan square theta is tan theta and square root of sin square theta is sin theta. So value of LHS is, this is LHS and this is RHS. It means both are equal to 4 times of tan theta and sin theta. 4 times of tan theta and sin. It means, this implies that LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now our next question is, in this question cos theta plus, in this question cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 times cos theta, then prove that value of cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 times sin theta. So here cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta is given. Now squaring on both sides, then we get cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. Squaring on both sides. Then we get cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 times sin theta into cos theta equal to twice cos square theta. So transfer these two terms towards 2 cos square theta, then you will get 2 times sin theta into cos theta equal to twice of cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? So this is 2 times sin theta cos theta equal to this is cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Now this 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to this is cos square theta minus sin square theta, means it can be written as in one bracket as a sum. It means cos theta plus sin theta in first bracket and another bracket cos theta minus sin theta. So value of cos theta plus sin theta is given in the question. How much? This will be given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Now put this value in this place. So you will get 2 times sin theta into cos theta equal to this will become root 2 times cos theta, right, into cos theta minus sin theta, right? Now here cos theta and cos theta cancel to each other, and this root 2 cancel this 2 root 2 times. It means here root 2 sin theta will be equal to cos theta minus sin theta, or it can be also written as cos theta minus sin theta equal to under root 2 sin theta, right? Hence proved. Our next question is now. Our next question is third question. In this question, if sec theta plus tan theta equal to p, then prove that p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 equal to sin theta, right? So value of p is given sec theta plus tan theta. Now p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 equal to value of p is sec theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. Now sec theta plus tan theta whole square will be sec square theta open whole square sec square theta plus tan square theta minus plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta minus 1 upon sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta plus 1, right? Now p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 equal to sec square theta and minus 1, right, in one bracket, and plus tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta upon sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 1, right, in one bracket, and plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta. Now this sec square theta minus 1 can be written as tan square theta. So this will be written as tan square theta. So this is tan is tan square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta, and upon sec square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta. Now tan square theta plus tan square theta will become 2 times of tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta, upon this will become sec square theta, and sec square theta will become 2 times of sec square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta, right? Now taking 2 tan theta common from numerator, 2 tan theta, so now in bracket tan theta plus sec theta, and taking 2 times of sec theta as a common from denominator, so here sec theta plus tan theta in bracket. So sec theta plus tan theta will be same factor, so it will be cancelled to each other. So this is 2 and 2 also cancel to each other. So now this is tan theta upon sec theta. Now tan theta is written as sin theta upon cos theta, and this sec theta is written as 1 upon cos theta. So cos theta cancel to each other. So this is sin theta, means value of p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 equal to sin theta. Hence proved. Now our next question. In this question, x equal to a cos theta is given and y equal to b tan theta is given. They prove that a square upon x square minus b square upon y square equal to 1. So value of a square upon x square, we find the value of a square upon x square minus b square upon y square. Now putting value of x, so this is a upon value of x is a sin theta, means a sin theta whole square, minus b square upon value of y is b tan theta whole square. Now this is a square upon a sin theta whole square, means a square sin square theta minus b square upon b square tan square theta. B square cancel, a square is cancelled. Now this is 1 upon sine square theta and this is 1 upon tan square theta, right? 1 upon sine square theta is cosec square theta and 1 upon tan square theta is cot square theta. So this is our third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. It is 1. So LHS equal to RHS. Now our next question. In this question, x equal to r sine theta and cos phi and y equal to r sine theta sine phi and z equal to r cos theta. Then prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So x square equal to r sine theta cos phi whole square. So this is r square sine square theta into cos square phi. This is equation first. Now y square equal to r sine theta and sine phi whole square. So this is r square sine square theta into sine square phi. This is second equation. And z square equal to r cos theta whole square. So this is r square cos square theta. This is our third equation. Now adding equation first, second and third. Adding equation first, second and third. So we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square sine square theta into cos square phi plus r square sine square theta into sine square phi plus r square cos square phi. Right? Taking r square as a common. So from first two term, when you will take r square sine square theta as a common, then you will get cos square phi plus sine square phi in bracket, and this is r square cos square phi, right? Now here phi, this will be 1. So this is not cos square phi, this is cos square theta. Here this will be theta. So this is 1 means r square sine square theta into 1 plus r square cos square theta. Now taking r square common from these two terms. So when you will take r square common, then you get, when r square common, then you will get sine square theta plus cos square theta in bracket. So it will become r square into 1. So this is r square. So x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Hence proved. Now our next question is, if in this question, if sine theta plus sine square theta is given 1, then prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1, right? So sine theta plus sine square theta is given 1, means sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta, right? Means sine theta equal to cos square theta. It means sine square theta equal to cos power 4 theta, right? Now putting the value of cos power 4 theta, this value in this given condition. So cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. When you put the value of this cos power 4 theta, then you get cos square theta plus this is sin theta. Value of cos power 4 theta is sin square theta. Now you will see here cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is an identity, first identity, so it is equal to 1. It means value of cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1. Hence proved. Now our next question. In this question, sin theta plus sin square theta is also given 1 in this question. Now prove that cos power 12 theta plus cos power 10 theta plus 3 cos power 8 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 2 equal to 1, right? So now this is given cos sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, means value of sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, means sin theta equal to cos square theta. Now squaring on both sides means value of sin square theta will be cos power 4 theta, right? Now we want to value of this quantity, right? So this cos power 12 theta. So now this cos power 4 theta, it is written as cos power 4 theta whole cube plus 3 times cos power 4 theta whole square into cos square theta. This can be written as, and this is 3 cos power 4 theta into cos square theta whole square, and this can be written as cos square theta whole cube plus taking 2 common from last these three terms. So in this bracket you will get cos 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 2, right? Now in this step you can see this is a cube, this is a cube plus, and this is b cube, and this is 3a square b, and this is 3ab square, means this is written as a plus b whole cube, means cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube, right? When you open this whole cube, then you will get this step, right? Now plus 2 times cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1, right? This is minus 1. Now value of cos power 4 theta is sin square theta, so use this value in this condition. So here you can use sine square theta. So this will become sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, plus this is 2 times, and value of this, so value of this will be how much? Sine square theta plus cos square theta and minus 1. So this is our identity. First identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta. You know this is 1 and this is also 1. Means this is 1 whole cube plus this is 2 times of 1 minus 1. So 1 1 cancel. So it will become 1 whole cube means 1, and this is 2 into 0. So this will become 1 plus 0 means 1. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Thank you, students.